how do I got a warrant for felonious assault?
All I know is a plainclothes officer just pointed your car out. That's why I didn't run you first. I already knew because they were following you. You were being followed already.
How was I being followed?
Because officers were following you. Have a seat.
Come on,
Those are mine.
man.
We'll get to them in a minute.
So plain clothes officers following me.
Yep. I didn't just pick you out randomly.
How was I being followed? What?
Because they're good.
I'm saying though.
Have a seat.
Yeah. Like,
Pilot John and Henry David 5282.
91, can you start that way? I'm going to advise Whitehall as well. Chopper 2 if you're out, please. Chopper 2. Looking for a black Honda Pilot, John Henry David 5282. Last name southbound Robinwood past Washmore.
We're stopped at the red light at Main Street right now. We're going to head westbound on Main.
92.
Copy. Can you tell how many are on board? Just one on board. It's possibly our suspect.
92, I'm a main and white. Take off the 17, put me on that.
Copy.
9-4, you can have.
4 copy.
Chopper.
Chopper channel 2, please. Chopper 2.
99, you can have.
Southbound Collingwood from Main, I copy.
Their charges already filed on this person. Negative. Pulling in the auto zone lot. Right there, 92 cruising.
That's auto zone there. Main and where?
He's making a traffic stop. Looks like he is stopping. He's at Collins.
See your hands.
Main Street.
See your hands. Hands out the window. Both your hands out the window. Hang tight. 92, I've got one at gunpoint. Stay right there.
Gunpoint, make it a 10-3. 10-3, one at gunpoint.
I'll let you know in a minute. Just stay right there.
9-4, get Whitehall on that. It's over there on that.
I'm done on the phone.
Okay, well, stay right there. Put the car in park. Put the car in park. Put the car in park. Put the car in park and listen to me. Put the car in park. Put the car in park. No, you can stay right there and put the car in park. Put the car in park. I'm not discussing anything with you. Put it in park. Put it in park.
See if he'll come back to us.
He's not even listening to putting the car in park. Step out of the vehicle. Open the door. Open your door. Open your door. I'm not going to shoot you. Open the door. Open your door.
Hey, can you ID him, Dave, from there?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
In the car. Going through a gas station lot back out to Main Street. intersection. He is heading back towards the Walmart.
North on Collingwood, you're going to be going up to Main Street. 9-4 myself at 90 here in James, Maine. Still going north on Collingwood.
Speeds of 48, traffic's light, through the stop sign at Washburn.
What's the tag number on it?
I'll get it for you as soon as I get close enough. Go another stop sign here at Etna.
John Henry Davis, 5282.
528.
Going up Broad Street. Eastbound Broad.
Car crash.
What was that out?
He's in custody. We're fine.
One for the Wings Philly Steak Place. Taking one into custody.
Car crash.
I'm getting one in custody. What was that out?
Shit, what's the location there? What's the address? Collinwood and Broad.
Alright, that's Felon, that's cool. But where else, bro? What the fuck? Y'all pulling guns out on me.
Hey, where's your ID at?
Y'all pulling guns out on me.
Hey, where's your ID at?
Like, that shit is weird as fuck. Like, it's weird as fuck. I'm pulling up to go do it.
9-1, that's gonna be who they're looking for.
Is they were looking for?
Stop pulling. Huh? Stop pulling. What am I pulling? Y'all got me 6 deep. What am I doing? Y'all got me. I'm not running.
Collinwood and Broad.
Y'all pulling guns and stuff out on me for what?
We have a warrant, so just
A warrant for me?
I'll take it. That way
About
you can
what?
call down for you. You can talk to the detective about it.
I got a warrant?
Yeah?
So y'all just off rip knew I had a warrant?
Yep.
How did y'all know that? So why you ran too? That's probably why I ran. Probably.
Usually that's what happens.
Oh, I had a warrant.
Let me get a bag.
Yeah, you have one. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
So I had a warrant. Can you tell me why?
One of those.
We'll take it back to your. Well,
What?
we'll go back to my car for just right now. Oh, where are you?
I had a warrant.
You want to take it back to your. Well, we'll go back to my car for just right now. Oh, where are you? Just go back to my car.
Oh my
You see my
God.
car.
I'm gonna keep the passenger.
Okay. We're just gonna see it back in 92 for a second.
So listen, how do you can't even run my tags? You talking about I got a warrant?
Let's see.
Oh, man, can you call my mom?
Yeah, give me the car.
I'm ready to keep everything like this. I can do it all.
Well, where's your car at? Oh, okay, hey, we're gonna actually take him and put him in 90, not 92.
I can pull right up.
Okay, yeah.
We're gonna want to
9722A, please. 9722A.
We're gonna walk to you.
I got a warrant for felonious assault.
That's what I'm being told.
That's felonious assault where?
I don't know.
How do I got a warrant for felonious assault?
All I know is a plainclothes officer just pointed your car out. That's why I didn't run you first. I already knew because they were following you. You were being followed already.
How was I being followed?
Because officers were following you. Have a seat.
Come on,
Those are mine.
Also,
We'll get to them in a minute.
so plain clothes, officers is following me.
Yep. I didn't just pick you out randomly.
How was I being followed? What?
Because they're good.
I'm saying though.
Have a seat.
Yeah.